Hello, welcome back, friends. Today, we're going to generate an AI image with a name added to it. Open your any browser and search Ideogram AI. If you don't know how to create an account on Ideogram AI, we've provided a tutorial in our previous video related to this. You can go and check it out. You need to paste the prompt here. The prompt will be provided to you in the video description or on our Telegram group. Next, you need to tap on the Generate button at the top and wait for a few seconds. Friends, see, once the creation process is complete, your image will be generated like this. The name appears exactly as per the prompt. Now, let's paste the second prompt in the same way. Look, you need to paste the second prompt like this. Then scroll down a little. You'll see the Generate button at the top. Tap on it again and wait for a few seconds. Friends, the images from our second prompt will also be generated in the same way. After that, you can easily download these images. You'll see 3 dots next to the pin at the bottom. Take a look at your image, cool, right? The name and other details should be exactly as you wanted. If you want to generate another image with a different prompt, just repeat the steps. Let's do that now with a second prompt.